What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dee LaVigne. Welcome to another video. You guys, I am back with an Hermes haul. I'm so excited for this, y'all. The bag is kind of janky because I actually got these items in my recent trip to California. We were out there for my daughter's nationals. That's why I look, we like drove and our car was packed, so like it's pretty busted up. But I haven't seen these items since I've been back, so let's go ahead and unbox them together. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button if you like these types of videos and hit that notification bell so that way you're notified every single time I put out a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you're a fan of Hermes and like that kind of stuff, you know? Okay. And yes, one of these boxes is a bag. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna start with these. It's heavy. Oh my goodness. I'm actually glad I'm unboxing these because I've been wanting to wear these. It's perfect for like right now. They are the Hermes Chippery sandals. I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? But I have these sandals already in black and I wear them every single day. My husband's actually probably tired of seeing those now. Like, he doesn't like when I wear something too much. And this is just one of these shoes. Like, this is the shoe right here, okay? Like, I love them. They're so comfortable. They're so cute to me as well. And I'm just so glad my SA got them for me in the white. These are actually pretty hard to get. Actually, I don't know. They might be available on this site, but I buy everything through my SA if I can. If she doesn't have it, I most likely just don't get it and I just wait until she does because I just like shopping with her and I love the experience every time I go see her. It's just worth the wait. If you guys don't have a pair of these and have been contemplating getting them, totally worth the splurge to me, in my opinion. They're so comfortable, and again, I've worn my black ones every single day since I've got them, and they still look as good as new. So they're very hard wearing, and they're just perfect for right now, for in the summer, of course, and I live in a very, very hot place. So yeah, these are definitely going on my feet ASAP. Next up, I believe this is, well, this has to be the bag because it can't be one of these. It is a bag. Oh yeah, it is a bag. It's on the box. So this is, what is this? Probably like the care booklet thing. Y'all probably know what it is if you guys are Hermes lovers. It is the, ta-da! It is the mini Evelyn. Y'all, I have several of these bags because I love this bag. It's like my favorite mini bag, for sure. I think I've said that on this channel before. It is in the color Etoupe or Etaupe, which is another color, favorite color of mine from Hermes that they do. It's just a really beautiful neutral, and I'm just in my neutral girl era right now. Like, I just love neutrals. It's just what I wear the most of, and I've had to learn that the hard way because I have a lot of like pops of color of this and that, and it just doesn't get worn. But anyways, it comes with a navy blue strap, which I love the contrast, and again, both neutral colors in gold hardware, although this bag has very minimal hardware anyways. But I love Etaupe because, one, it's just a beautiful neutral, but also I love like the contrast stitching, like the white. I just think it's so beautiful, and I'm gonna get so much wear out of this bag. I also like to sometimes not even use their strap and put the chain straps that I have from Organize My Bag. I don't know if my code still works, but I'll link it down below for you guys anyways, if you guys are interested to check it out. But I like their chain sometimes because this one is slightly on the longer side for me because I'm very, very short. So if I want it a little higher on my hip, then I'll switch out the strap for like a chain strap, and it's perfect. But yes, oh my gosh, I love. Like I said, I have several of these. The black one, obviously it's black. I wear that one, or have worn that one the most. But yeah, this is definitely an entry-level Hermes bag that I highly recommend if you guys are looking to step your foot into the Hermes world and game. Be careful, I'm warning you, it's very addictive and addicting. But if you do, I highly recommend you check out the Hermes Evelyn, particularly in this size. It's called the TPM size, but also the mini. Don't know what you're talking about. Next up, a little ASMR for y'all. Okay. I'm so excited about this because I haven't gotten one of these in a while. So when she brought it out to me, I was like, yes, please. It is a rodeo charm. Oh my goodness. And it's in a colorway that I have a bag in. So when I saw it, I was like, oh yes, I need it. But it actually could go with this as well, I feel like, too, because it's a neutral. But oh my goodness, I'm not like a collector of these, but I do have a few of them. Like I only have enough to like put on my bags, so I don't have like a whole bunch of them, but the ones I do have, I love. They serve a purpose and they go with like one of my bags. So happy I got this one because I didn't get one with my last bag, and this is the rodeo charm that actually goes and matches my last bag. So yeah, it worked out. And last but certainly not least, this is something actually, you guys, that I've been wanting and I just never really got. I don't know, I just always ended up like getting other stuff. But it's this. It is the clack in the thick version. So it's like a pretty large bangle. I have several of these clacks, but in the thinner version. So yeah, I always wanted one in like the thicker version. I feel like because they're so thick though, you have to wear it like by itself, or I could wear it with like, for instance, this bracelet because it's so thin and it's just like a diamond bracelet. But I don't know, I wanted to try the thick version out, and they had this one in store. I tried it on and I really liked it, and she was like, oh, it's really cute on you. So I got it in the white because neutral, I could wear it with a bunch, with the gold hardware. And I really like it. I'm glad I finally have like a thicker one in my little jewelry collection. I don't know if you would call it a collection. I don't have a bunch, but I really just like the thickness of it, and it's like grab and go. I don't have to like create a stack if I don't want to. Very simple, and it like just does the job, you know? And that is everything. Yep, that's everything that I got from my most recent trip to Hermes. Leave me comments down below. What do you guys have on your wish list at Hermes, or like just in general? Also, let me know what other videos you guys want me to post on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I have two of them. I have a family account, and I also have a fitness food account, mainly fitness. I'll link them both down below for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.